Hi guys, welcome back to my new video. Today we will learn the basics of pencil shading. How we get a lighter and darker pencil shade using a single HB pencil. Usually we use 2B, 4B, 6B and sometimes even 8B for the darker shade. But if you understand the concept of applying pressure on the pencil, then you can even attain the same amount of dark shade you get in an 8B pencil and also the same amount of lighter shade in a 2B pencil. So here I am drawing 4 boxes and I will demonstrate 4 types of shading methods. The first box will be a complete light shade. The second box will be a complete dark shade. Third box will be a gradual shift from light to dark shade. And the fourth box will be a gradual shift from a dark to light shade. So let's start. And keep in mind, I am only using an HB pencil. For a light shade, hold the pencil lightly and apply even pressure and start shading. For a darker shade, first do a light shade. Gradually increase the pressure on your pencil and then eventually apply a darker shade. Now let's do light to dark shade. Start with applying less pressure on the pencil and as you shade downwards, gradually apply more pressure and you will see the gradient. Now for the dark to light shade, do the same as the previous one but in reverse. Start with applying more pressure on the pencil and then gradually apply less pressure to get the lighter shade. So today we learned 4 types of shading: light shade, dark shade, light to dark shade and dark to light shade. If you guys found this video informative, then please like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.